Ohayo gozaimasu, minasan. Once again, it is early in the morning, and it's pitch dark, pitch black in this area because this is the bedroom and sunrise has not necessarily hit just yet. But like I said in the past, when I wake up in the morning, first thing I want to do is get up out the bed at least. Right? Turn on the light. Look over towards the air conditioner. That's the air conditioner right there. Go over to it using my hand. I'm going to power off the air conditioner. Okay? What I'll do is I'll turn the dial and shut that thing off because it is so cold in here. And then I'll get up and go downstairs to watch the news.